When collecting UAV image data, you may encounter various complex conditions that make it difficult to obtain high-quality results. If you've used the optimization functions introduced earlier and rerun a line and mosaic, but the DOM results still have defects, you may consider manually editing the DOM. To use this function, load the DOM file into the viewer and click the DOM Edit button to enter the editing mode, which opens a new interface. In the newly added window, with a gray background, you can click anywhere and select Show Stitching Line to display the boundaries of each photo used in the DOM. Moving the cursor over the DOM will highlight each part's boundary in yellow. Find the poorly rendered area in the DOM, click the Draw Polygon button and draw a polygon on the DOM. Left-click to create new nodes, as shown in the left image below. After completing the drawing, right-click to turn the polygon orange. Right-click again, and the menu will show the Assign Images option, as shown in the right image below. Click this option, and the Visible Author Photos window on the right will display image data that matches the polygon. You can select the image with the best result. Left-click it, and the photo will fill the polygon, as shown below. Click the Assign button to ensure editing result. You can continue editing the polygon by inserting or deleting nodes from the right-click menu or dragging the shape of the polygon to allow a higher quality photo to cover a larger area. Repeat this operation on the DOM until the quality meets your expectations. Once you've finished editing, click the Update DOM button to save the edited DOM as a new file.